Oh, guys, so I wanted to talk about this for a long time. This is some words that my old bullies told me in my old school. I still see them sometimes, but I never make eye contact. I never talk to them. I just ignore them, walk away. But they said people said really bad things about me when I was younger, and they still bother me sometimes. But to be honest, I didn't like to be bullied. The first day of my school in kindergarten, two young boys threatened me to hit me, and people called me fat. One time, they even just didn't come to my party because they just made jokes out of me. It was a really cruel joke on me. I did not like it at all. So think before you bully someone, because it could really hurt someone. It still hurts inside of me. I've done some bad things too, so I'm not happy about myself either. So hope you guys like this one. Bye. Have a good day.